All right, you guys, new year, who this, where you at? First of all, you guys, happy new year. It is the new year. We are in 2019. I cannot be more excited. Time flies by. Like, where does time go, right? But anyways, guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing this eye tutorial. It's very inspired from one of her campaign photos. I know nothing alike, but I really did try, you guys. Keep in mind that I also have two really infected eyes, so as soon as I'm done with this, I gotta go wash my face. But I really wanted to have a video up for you guys today because today is Tuesday, New Year, I know. Anyways, guys, with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Positive energy your way. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started into today's video. All right, guys. First video of the year. Here we go. Excuse the wig. I don't have it glued down, so I know it kind of looks wiggy. Okay. Oh my god, guys, I swear my brows are... Sometimes my brows have good days, sometimes they have horrible days. Today is just one of those days. Actually excited for this, not only because Colourpop is probably my favorite brand of eyeshadows. I'm pretty sure you guys heard that all last year, but Colourpop makes amazing shadows. The formula is bomb. I haven't really come across a problem with Colourpop. I feel like they're one, super inexpensive, two, their quality, like bomb. Anyways, today we are reviewing the Through My Eyes collection. Ooh, packaging, nice. First of all, congratulations to Karen because she's killing it. For some reason, she's probably like my favorite influencer collaborator of the year, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Probably not. I have a thing for her collections. Every time she launches something, I die for it. And yeah, especially if it's Colourpop. Colourpop is one of my favorite brands for eyeshadows. I will say their matte liquid lipsticks are a little bit too drying for my liking, but it's something that I can actually work with. Like, I'll moisturize my lips really well and then I'll apply the lipstick and I'm good to go. You guys saw she launched this eyeshadow palette here. This is the Through My Eyes eyeshadow palette. I believe it retails for like 23 bucks or so. And then she also launched the lip bundle. I love the packaging, you guys. I will say I love the fact that her lips are on the packaging. Something I will say is that when I first started to watch Karen years ago, her lips were like the thing that stood out to me the most. Like, I was like, oh my god, why are her lips so juicy? You know what I mean? So, and then this is the eyeshadow palette. Same concept. It has her eyes on there. Although, I don't know, pero como que se mira visca, right? Or, oh, I think it's like different looks or what? I don't know, but these two eyes here se ven como que viscos. But anyways, I love the packaging. That I love. Something about this shade here and a mustard shade I am obsessed with. Like, I asked her on her video, on the last video that she uploaded, if she could do a tutorial on this. We still haven't seen it, so I'm gonna try to recreate the pic from her campaign. Let me show you guys which one I'm talking about. I asked her if she could do a tutorial. That comment that I did on her video got a lot of likes, and she also said that I think she was going to do it, but she still hasn't done it, so I'm still waiting for it. It would have been awesome for me to try to recreate that look, but she still hasn't uploaded anything. But I'm going to show you guys what look I'm talking about. Like a yellow mustardy inner corner, and then there's like teal on the bottom, and then it's pretty dark and intense on the outer part of the eye. I don't know. I love this photo. I think she looks stunning, and something about those colors on her face, like, I'm dying. Okay, so the first shade that I'm going to take is Sandalwood right here. This is like a very cool tone, light baby brown. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to pop this on my crease area. I'm going to use this as a transition shade, so just back and forth. Windshield wiper motions. You guys know the drill. You can barely see the shade, but once I build it, it's going to look bomb. And I'm dragging this from inner to outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Wild Soul, or no, wait, 1 second. You know what, now I'm going to take Euphoric right here, which is I don't know, I love this shade. It's like a baby terracotta kind of color. But I'm also going to take that in my K17 by Cara Beauty. It's a fluffy blending brush. I'm also going to start very lightly working it in the crease area. And I'm actually keeping this shadow rather high than I normally would because I want it to like peek through. Next, I'm going to take the shade Moody, which is Hello, the star of the show. Oh, that one has fallout. But I'm going to take that one and we're going to concentrate this on the outer part of the eye. As always, I just like to start by packing it and then I'm going to go in and blend it. I just find that way it's just easier for me. So pack it and then I'll go in and blend it out. There, I'm gonna remove the tape on this side because I don't want it to be super perfect. I don't want that line. So again, I'm just going to pack more of this shade very, very lightly. Now I'm just gonna go back in to my Cara Beauty K17, which is my blending brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the edges of that teal color because I want it to be pretty blown out. And I feel like when you apply a dark and intense shadow, it can look pretty harsh. So I'm just softening it up, you know. I don't know if she cut her crease and then applied the mustard color, or did she just like apply that thing like, I don't know. This could be like a total fail or it could be a bomb ass look, but we're just gonna keep it moving, you know? I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to dive in to the shade Wild Soul. Wild Soul. And I'm going to pick some up, and I don't know if she has her crease cut in that picture, but we're just gonna go ahead and apply. Oh yeah, she probably has, because should we cut her crease or should we just, let's just do it like that. So now I'm going to pick up the shade Mesmerize, which is this one right here. It's like a copper and a gold. I don't know, it's just a beautiful color, but I know it has like some type of glitter in there. And we're gonna pop this in the center of the lid. We're actually gonna bring it to the inner corner. Why not? We're gonna brighten up that mustard yellow color with this shade. Ooh, yes. Okay, I'm digging this better. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a small pencil brush. This is the E18 by Morphe. And I'm going to start with the shade Wild Soul, which is the mustardy kind of shade. And I'm just gonna go ahead and buff this on the lower lash line. So now I'm going to take the shade Emerald Dream, which is a shimmer shadow, and I believe this is what she has on her little lash line. I'm just gonna go ahead and buff this. You guys, please pray for my sty. I am frigging scared. I mean, I'm obviously going to remove this right now, but I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared this is gonna get worse. We're gonna pick up the shade Lucido, which is this shimmery champagne color. Ooh, these are super pigmented. And I'm gonna pop this in the inner corner of my eye to kind of brighten up the situation. Ooh, my gosh. Did you guys see this? Look at that, you guys. I am not gonna lie to you guys, but I am obsessed with these lashes, like obsessed. I think this one is a little bit shorter than this one, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Dulcet on the back of my hand real quick. Oh, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. This is not my shade. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more brown in there. It's like a terracotta color, but it has a lot of pink in there, which pink is just not my vibe. But there's that. And then we have the lip gloss, and then the lip gloss. Oh, the lip gloss is actually pretty nice. The lip gloss has gold and rose gold reflexes to it. I really, really like. I'm gonna go ahead and do it up close right now. And then this one, which this one is by far my favorite, Sueño de Coco. And this is a nude liquid lipstick, you guys, but I don't know, but it's my favorite. I love it. Like, I am obsessed with it. I'm pretty sure you guys can see the lipsticks. This is like a close-up. By far, the nude one has to be my favorite. Just went ahead and lined my lips, and now we're just gonna jump into the lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the finished and completed look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Again, I know it's not like the best eye look I have, you know, done, but I really did try. I'm not gonna lie, it was harder than I thought it would be. Definitely that teal color is a little hard to work with. Like, if you don't know, you know, much about makeup, it is a little bit hard to work with. I'm not a pro, so it was a little bit difficult to work with. It does have fallout, but nothing insane. Again, you guys know that I am obsessed with the Colourpop formula. I think they're amazing. This one here called Mesmerize, I know she mentioned something about this being some different kind of shadow, but it does have like particles of glitter, which I feel like it pulled the look together. So yeah, I'm definitely going to pick up another one of these because it's bomb.com. You guys are definitely going to be seeing the other two in future tutorials. The lip gloss is, I'm just not a lip gloss person, but I'm going to try this on right now just for you guys. The other one, I'm excited to try it on. I'm just not a pink person, so I don't know. It might look different once I apply it on my lips. Okay, so I'm not going to lie. The lip gloss looks pretty badass. And I'm not a lip gloss person, but it actually looks pretty good. Actually really nice. It's just not my vibe. I'm not a gloss person. That being said, guys, cheers to a new year. And yeah, get excited because like I said, I am bringing a lot of drugstore affordable makeup your way. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you want to see from me? I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys very soon. Peace.